Hey y'all.
Alright, here it is.
Oh, those look good. I like how crispy they are.
Hey y'all. So I am making the this said Angus beef steak. So they're just little thin pieces. You can do this with deer meat, cube steak. We've done it with Dove, pretty much any meat you can think of. So there's the bacon, all three of the yellow, orange, and red bell peppers. And then those are not green bell peppers. Those are jalapenos and onions. And surprisingly, everybody in the family is okay with all of this in theirs. And here's the cream cheese. When we first started doing it, we would spread it all out, but that just takes too long. I'd stuff yours with whatever you like. The more you stuff, the fatter they get. The thing about that is probably one per person will fill you up. That's kind of pretty. All right, I'm gonna lay these out and get them marinated. All right, well, a lot of times we'll use Dales and Worcestershire, but all I have is Worcestershire, so, or whatever you want to call it. And Dales is pretty high in sodium, so you may not can have that if you are watching your sodium. Let's see, this probably is too though, but it's so good. It'll be all right. A lot of it comes off whenever you're cooking it anyway. All right, we'll let this kind of soak for a little bit and then we'll flip it and make sure it gets on all sides. I can actually go ahead and do that anyway. At least the buttery steakhouse will get to the bottom too. Now we wait. So I've never done this before, but I'm going to do it kind of like my chicken tenders and just go from there, and we'll just go with the crispiness of the bacon and see how it looks. So I'm going to start with 7 or 8 minutes. 6 minutes, that looks really good. All right, I just flipped them. Put them back in. I'll start with 5 minutes. All right, guys. Definitely recommend doing the air fryer. We hadn't cut into them yet, but you can tell they're going to be good. This is what they look like whenever we take them off the grill. Look here. Y'all. Oh my goodness, they look so good. We'll do a taste test a little bit later, but I definitely wanted you to see it. They look good. And I just watched them. I started out, the very first 2 I did was Travis's, and I did 6 minutes and 5 minutes. And then the hotter the air fryer got, the less time it took. So anyway, I have this in here so it'll steam up. Come here, Anna, let me show you. I have the juices.
Are they juicy?
Mm-hmm. You want to get in video? You look so cute. You do. Okay.
Hey y'all.
All right, here it is.
Oh, those look good. I like how crispy they are. They look good.
Some of the bacon's a little charred, but that's okay.
Well, if you like it charred anyway.
That's right, I'll eat those pieces. All right, so I have that sealed up, and I got the juices out of the container from the mic you recommended. All right. Come say hey, Travis, as you walk out the door. You know, I have to grab them when I can. There he is.
Hey, everybody.
You get to see everybody now. Ollie's staring at us from the stairs like, what are y'all doing over there? All right, we'll come back with a taste test. All right, guys. There's my bacon wrap. There is my beans. And I just put a bean in my mouth a second ago that it had cooled off. I just wanted to make sure it was done. I haven't like taken a full bite, but that one bean I took a bite of or ate, it was so good. All right. I had three. Okay, there we go. I was gonna say I had 3 toothpicks. I wanted to make sure I removed them off my plate altogether. And the easy, I mean, you can bite into it if you want. I like to just cut mine. It don't make it pretty by no means, but. You could just pick it up right like that. Somebody told me today whenever I put stuff closer to the camera, it makes them go cross-eyed. Sorry if that was you. I apologize. But there, you could do that and just bite it like that. Or like me, I like to kind of cut it. And tastes just as good as it does off the grill. I got the piece that had the dark bacon. That bacon was good. Let me see how messy it is. It's tender, very tender. It didn't, it was perfect for the steak. Okay. Great meal. Love y'all. Have a good night.